So
Okay,
What is the
kinematics.
syllabus?
after
There's
after discussion of the test paper,
Yeah.
if we get time, we will continue there. Okay. So let's start.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let's start with your test paper. You see your test paper
Not
is
my
ready
case.
here. It's ready there. Yes, here. Here is the scores. All the scores are here. You see, Abdullah Mayat. Abdullah. Abdullah got 7. And Abdullah, you are suggested to write your own name, academic name. Hmm. In your Gmail or any email, it's better to write with your academic name so that we can recognize you. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
all
I
are
don't
all are
receive
okay. Like from your name, I found that there is some indications like MS Adrita, then
yes, yes.
MSM Adrita, then Lamisa. I understood Maruf, then Taki, then Ryan Reed, Fahad, Azwad, Near Afros. That means Mithila. So this way they all have indications that it's their one, but this one does not have any indications. So do it from
Sir,
next time. Make it clear. Yes,
sir,
Anmol. Anmol.
hello sir, how do you sir? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you? Are you happy with your marks?
No sir,
16. You are the second highest. The first highest is 19. So is there anyone you did not receive the email who are present now among you?
Sir Maruf.
Maruf did not receive. Maruf, you refresh your browser and you check it again. You will get it. Huh? Sometimes it happens that it does not work because of the network or any other issues. So you refresh it and
sir,
check it again. Everyone should
Sir,
get it
Mark
because
is here.
I I sent to everyone. Now individual,
sir,
yes,
sir, I have a question in my paper.
yes, I am showing everyone's paper, no problem. Like before,
Alright,
I
Sir,
sir.
I
will,
also have a question.
yeah, I will go with
I don't show my
Adita's
one.
one. Yes, Adita, any questions?
Sir, the question before the last one. I have a confusion there.
Yeah, that one you did mistake, right?
I did not understand the question.
Okay, I'm going there. Your whole paper I'm going, you see. All are correct. Look, everyone. So,
And this one,
look,
sir,
These are technically
number 12,
correct.
can you explain me?
okay, look, her answer is 5.7. The exact answer is 5.6. However, I'm accepting it. Okay, it is correct. No problem. If there
Okay,
is
sir, thank you.
a little bit
Sir,
change, then we are
sir, if
accepting.
I
it
was
is
in 5.8.
5.7, will you give full marks?
Yeah, they who are getting 5.7, 5.8, then 5.5, those all I am giving you full marks.
But sir, I got half. Like I got 2 in 3.
Okay, I will
I
check.
don't have.
I will check. I will check. No problem.
Okay,
I
sir.
will go one by one. No problem. So, this one you understood, Adita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. See.
Okay, then this one you got 0, right?
Wrong.
This one you did not
Yes.
understand. So they are asking
Sir,
you,
I wrote 3.3 centimeter.
wait, my boy, I will go to your one. That time you can share. Now Adita's one,
Sorry.
look, what they are asking, uh, here is a question. Student investigates water dripping from a tape. Name the quantity the student is measuring with the rule. So with the rule, you cannot measure volume.
Yes.
You can only measure length. So if
Yes.
someone is writing the values, like someone is writing 3.1, someone wrote 3.3, or someone wrote centimeter, then I accepted it. Only Taki is the brilliant boy. He wrote length. You know, you see,
Yes, sir.
Taki is one of the most brilliant boys, right, in our Cardiff.
And he got full
Only
marks.
only he got this
Yep.
answer to the point correctly. He wrote this one. Though his overall score is not that much, but his this answer is completely correct. So we don't know where who have the hidden treasure. Okay, so everyone has some special thinking and special ability to get the ideas, to apply the ideas. So this one should be the length, right? We are going to measure the length or distance, or someone is writing height. That is also accepted. So that's why we wrote here some. You see the some correct answers are written here. Height of the liquid, length of the liquid, length. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And the other one, this one you did correct, Adrita.
But I wrote too much grammar.
Yeah, you wrote lots of grammar. It's coming red cross. Why? Because according to uh, our given answers is not matching. That's why it's coming cross. But it is correct. You gave
But
everything
there was a
details.
dash after the time. So I
You
thought
gave
that I
Yeah.
need
You
to
gave
input
everything
the value.
with all the numericals explanation. That is awesome. It's great. So they who did mistake.
I didn't understand.
Most of the students you did wrong in this part. That's why I'm explaining this one. Look, in our class, when we discuss time, there I told there was one clock, right? One digital clock. There
Yes.
I told you about the stopwatch in our laboratory. We are having this type of readings. That means 3, here is C, is written second, right? So 3, then 1 by 100 second. That means 3.10 second. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain it, sir?
Yeah, I'm explaining. Are you getting me what I'm saying? I'm saying that you see here in the diagram it's written 3 second, right? Second, just below second it's written 3. So it is 3 second. Then we are having some other values 10. So 10 is 1 by 100 second. That means 0.10. Whatever you are getting, you have to divide by 100. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it
It's not
clear?
There was
clear.
another one about the unit.
I didn't understand.
Okay, I'm explaining it again. Look, here we have second, right? So
Yeah.
just below second, what is written, that is in second, 3 second. So you are having here 3 second. Now you have 10 also, right? Lamisa?
Yeah.
Lamisa.
Yes.
So for
Yes,
this
sir.
10, what is written here? Check. Just above second, above 10, what is written? 1 by 100 second, right? Isn't
Yes.
it? Lamisa, are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 100 second means what? You have to divide this with 100.
.01.
Then your answer will be in second. You divide it by 100, then your answer will be in second. That is coming. Yes. Yes, Badsha Fahad. You are joining late. Why? Today is a very important day. So you see here 0.10. For this 10, we are getting 0.10, right? Second. Lamisa.
Yes, sir.
So 3 second plus 0.10 seconds. So how much is the total reading? 3.10 second, right?
Yes, sir.
For the next one, it's coming 3.04. She wrote it 3.04. Then the last one is coming 3.16. She wrote it
Sir.
3.16.
Sir.
Yes. And therefore the average time.
Sir, Adrita's answer is correct, but why is it wrong?
It's not wrong. It's just that the server thinks that it is
I'm
wrong
explaining.
because I wrote too much literature.
Oh,
Yeah, listen. It's about
you
the
always like too much.
software system. In software or in the system, we gave these answers. Correct answers as 3.1 seconds or 3.1 s. So if someone is writing anything different way, that is coming wrong. But actually, it's not wrong. Is it clear now, Taki?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I had to check them manually. All this
Sir,
other than the MCQ part.
I have one request.
Yes, your request. Tell me.
Could you please disable chat?
Yes, I am disabling. No problem.
For chatting, Taki, you are disturbing.
That's why it is
Sir,
distracting
can
all
you
of us.
please repeat?
Yeah. So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So should I repeat, Basha, what you are saying? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir,
As
the boat one.
yeah, look here. We have here 3 second, right? It's written second here. Then just below of second, it is 3. So we are having 3 seconds. Then we are having beside 3, we have another value small, right? That is 10. And above 10, we have 1 by 100th second. That means you have to divide whatever the value here getting, divide by 100. And the unit will come in seconds. So if you divide 10 with 100, then it will come how much? 0.10, right? 0.10 second. So 3 second plus 0.10 second is coming totally 3.10 second. Is it clear now, Barsha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same way we are getting here 3.04, 3.16. And after that, they are asking you to get the reading, all the readings average. Look here. They are asking you here. The student, here we have more part of this question. From the readings shown below, calculate the average time in two significant figure. You must write the unit as well in your answer. Give a space between the numerical and the unit. So you got it? The question is telling you to find the average time. So average time, if you add them up together, then divide by 3 is coming 3.1. Okay. If you check in your calculator, it will come 3.1. Then our unit is seconds. So the answer is correct. If someone is writing 3.10, is not coming in uh, two significant figures. We
We
suggested
will
to
stop that.
we suggested to give the answer in two significant figures. Okay. So in that case, the answer is 3.1 second. Is it clear, everyone? This question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is
So there's
over,
another
then
one. I have a question.
we will go for next one, Anmol's one. Anmol got the
Sir,
second
I have a
prize.
question.
Yeah. Where?
Sir, in the go down slowly, then I will tell you.
Sir, number 12.
Okay. Which one?
There's another one. You have to identify the number, the centime and milli. That one.
This one.
No, sir.
Which one?
Wait,
Which
let me
question?
tell you the number. 1 second.
This one.
Sir, the one before this 11.
11. Okay. 11. This
Was
one.
I required to write the symbol only?
Okay, yeah, this one, if you write, they are saying about prefixes, right? So
Yeah.
prefixes, we write in symbolic way, right? C, M, N,
Right.
M, this way, 1 megahertz, and then 1 nanometer, N. Okay, this way, if you write, that's enough. Is it clear?
I was confused here. Yes.
It's fine. Okay, no problem. But you wrote, that's we are accepting. Your answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Anything else, Adrita?
Sir,
Sir,
I have
12.
one. 12. Sir, 12.
Okay, okay, your one. We are going to your one. That time you ask. Now we are going with
No, sir, not
Anmol's one.
my one.
Anmol's one. Anmol
Anmol is
got
great.
16. 16, then Anmol. This one. This one is a little bit tough for you because this one is showing you something more than basic idea of vector and scalar. Like you have normally known the examples of vector and scalars, right?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
you did not have any idea like vector quantity, scalar quantity, that the the examples velocity and speed, how
Yes, sir.
how they are the same thing, only there is one difference, that is velocity it has direction and scalar it
And
does not
speed
have any
has no
direction.
direction.
And you know that velocity and speed, they both have the same formula to calculate, right?
Yes.
They have the same unit. Velocity, speed, they have the same unit. Only there is one difference, that is one has direction, another one does not have any direction. Is it clear? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
our answer should be C. Vector is velocity of a
Sir,
car.
is
Scalar
D okay?
is, listen, let me finish, then you have anything you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Scalar is speed of the car. Now look, for the other options, someone is choosing A. Okay, someone is choosing B or D. You see, all the options we are giving, the first one is correct, the second one is also correct. For if you only think about vector and scalar, you see displacement is vector, it is correct.
And
Velocity is
scalar is speed.
vector. Weight is weight is vector, it is also. So all the options, mass is scalar, it is also correct. Distance is scalar, it is also correct. But they are asking you something more. In which row is the size of the vector equal to the size of the scalar? That means for both of them, the magnitude should be same. You know the formula of velocity and speed, they are measured in the same unit, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can compare their size. But displacement and speed, they are different quantity. You cannot compare their size. That's why we cannot accept A. Again, for velocity and distance, they are different quantity. We cannot compare their size. Is it clear now why A, B, and D are not correct?
Yeah.
This is with a bit more difficulty level. Only Abdita did it correctly. Okay, this one is with more difficulty level. That's why you couldn't do it. In some of the in your test, some of the questions I will give you, like 1-2 questions will be this type of difficulty level. Okay, so that I can find, or I can increase your thinking level. If you are getting all the questions easy, then your thinking will stop. Is it clear? Why
You
I
have
gave you
trouble
this?
in O levels.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why I gave you this question? I explained it because I want you to think a little bit high in some of the cases. If everyone is getting 20 out of 20, that's not making you more expert. If you are facing trouble, if you are facing difficulties with some questions, then struggle, then you are improving. That's making you more efficient and more eligible to take O-level exams with more expertise. Okay, so is it clear, Anmol, this
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have something more here. This one you got two. That one you are saying. Look, in our question we mentioned it with,
Yes, sir. You told 2SF. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
yeah, 2SF. That is one thing. There is another thing with appropriate unit.
Yes, sir. I
So
didn't mention the unit, sir. That's
yeah,
why. Got
that's
it.
very important. When you are mentioning anything, then you should write the unit also, right? The quantity. We are having 4 meter per second in unit, then 2 meter per second we have units. So the resultant should be also meter per second. Is it
It should be
clear?
5.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if someone is writing, you see
Yes, sir.
numericals,
Yes,
I
sir.
don't bother that you are writing correctly numerical or not. It's closer to 5.6. That's fine. But you miss the unit, that's a big concern.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You should be more careful about this. Then you wrote here 3.3 centimeter. That means you meant you are measuring the height. Okay, that's why I accepted it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So appropriate answer should be height of the liquid or length of the liquid. If you are writing that way, that will be more appropriate. Okay. Then this one you got wrong, right? Already
Yes,
I
sir. You
explained, you
explained it.
understood. Already you
Yes.
understood it. So we are going to another one now. That is Lamisa's one. 13. Lamisa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Lamisa. Lamisa's one is here. 13. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this one, Lamisa. Lamisa, tell me why you did this one wrong. This one was
Sir, sorry. It was a silly mistake actually.
okay. This one was easy
I
question.
was really
Yeah. So be careful. Then this one, it was also easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lamisa, this one also easy, right? Milliwatt. You have to just know the prefixes. Then in our class also, we told it several times that you should
It
be
should be
very
C.
careful. You should be very careful about small m and capital M. Okay, Lamisa, you might made a mistake or you did it wrongly because you thought that this is M for mega, right? Lamisa?
yes, sir.
So this small m for milli and capital M is for mega. Is it clear? So by this
Yes,
mistake,
sir.
for your entire life, you got the thing correctly for your entire life. So don't worry, huh? Your mistakes are making you stronger, more specific, and it is necessary that if you are have any loopholes, then those holes should be filled up. Then you will be more stronger. You'll be more efficient.
Sir, I'm confused about this one. Can you make me understand
Yes,
it?
sure, sure. This one, look, the length is 600 centimeter. That means it's more than 100 centimeter. I can remember on one day class, you also told me that if the length is more than 100 centimeter, then we should use measuring tape, right? Then when you are doing the question, that time you forgot it again. Yeah, so the internal diameter is only 2 centimeter. You need ruler for this 2 centimeter, right? The ruler is enough for 2 centimeter, and as it is 600 centimeter, more than 100 centimeter, you should use for this one measuring tape. If you want, you can also take the notes in your copy, physics copy, that more than 100 centimeter, that is 600 centimeter, it is
We
measuring
will
tape,
use.
and 2 centimeter, it is ruler only. So internal diameter is ruler and the length is tape. The answer should be B, right?
Yes.
Then this one already explained. Just now we explained. Lamisa, you got it? This one, just now we discussed
Yes.
from Anmol's one. Okay, this one is correct. Only one thing you did wrong, that is hertz. You wrote hertz,
It
this
should be
one should
R.
be 1 megahertz.
yes.
10 to the power 6, it's mega, not hertz. Lamisa, are you clear? Hello, Lamisa.
Sir, I told yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Thank you. So we accepted it. Your one, you got 3 out of 3, this one. Then you wrote 3.1 centimeter, we accepted it because you indicated you are measuring the length. Then this one is already discussed, right?
Yes.
Hello, Lamisa?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So done. This one is also done. Then you are done with all the, wrongs, all the mistakes. Then after Lamisa,
And now kinematics.
no. Another student, he got, I can,
Acha.
Lamisa, who got 13?
That's Sir Lamisa and Baksha.
Maruf.
Batsha, yes, Batsha, right. You are very sharp, mashallah. You can remember everything. Then I'm going to Batsha's one. Batsha, King. Hello, Batsha.
Yes, sir.
I am happy with your performance. Try to keep it up, okay, Batsha. It's not that much bad. However, you try to improve it more, okay. 13 is a
Okay,
good
sir.
marks for this test. It was not that easy test. A little bit harder, but you got 13. That's good marks. Okay. Then it is Millie, right? Millie, you understood it. You did the same mistake like Lamisa.
Yes, sir.
So I think you both have the same thinking. Like Millie and Mega, you meant that one as small m as mega. So this one already discussed, right?
Yes, sir. It will be C.
Yeah. Yeah, you understood it, right? This one should be C. The answer should be velocity of a car, speed of a car. We can compare the size. Okay, this one I accepted.
ABC.
This one I accepted. Look, however you wrote centi, it is correct. Milli, it is correct. Nano, it is correct. But the last one, it is given 10 to the power 6, not 10 to the power minus 6. So it should be mega, right?
It will be,
Is it clear?
yes, sir. Capital M.
Okay, then 6 meter per second. So here I gave you 2. Okay, you are very close. we said you to write in two significant figure, but you wrote only 6, right? So are you happy with this? I did not give you 0. Hello.
Yeah, I'm happy, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
You were
Sir, but
worried
how we,
about this one, right? That you
sir?
were thinking that you are going to get 0 here, right? That's why you
Yeah,
sent me the message. You wrote here quantity water. It's not giving you clear idea. Quantity water means what? Quantity water. If you are writing,
sir, what?
is you should write length. With the meter rule, we are measuring the length or height of the water level.
Sir, we got the length.
Yeah, you say the student, which quantity the student measuring with the rule. That means what is the use of ruler? They are asking you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This type of
Yes.
answer, whenever you are writing from Cambridge, we are writing too vague, TV. That means your answer is not to the point or it's not clear.
And we will write height of the length of the
Yes, it
liquid
is
length.
also correct. If you are writing height of the liquid, length of the liquid, that is also correct. So this one is already explained, right? You understood it. Hello, Batsha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this one was the most missed question. You did wrong. Except Adrita. Adrita almost all of you did wrong here. Then after Batsha, who is there?
Someone got 9, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
After
Taki.
No,
okay,
Taki got
fine.
7.
Listen, the other questions, other papers we will discuss in next class. Now we are going to our
Yes.
new topic little bit, huh? Today,
Sir, 1 minute left.
not 1 minute. We will go for
Yes,
two
sir.
minutes, huh? 2 minutes. We will go. You have patience, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now look here. We have this syllabus, huh? We are done with topic 1. Now we will go for topic 2, kinematics. This syllabus is also uploaded today. You can see it in the posting of Google Classroom. So our this topic is kinematics. Topic 2, kinematics, and you see, like before, we are giving from the Cambridge syllabus the learning outcomes which we are going to learn from the discussion, all the notes. That one is mentioned here. So I want Lamisa to read all the learning outcomes. Lamisa.
Yes. Okay. Learning outcomes. Candidates should be able to A. State what is meant by speed and velocity. B. Recall and use every speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. C. State what is meant by uniform acceleration and recall and use acceleration is equal to change in velocity or time taken. D. Discuss non-uniform acceleration. E. Recall that the deceleration is a negative acceleration. F. Plot and interpret speed, time, and distance time graphs. G. Recognize from the shape of a speed time graph when a body is 1. At rest, 2. Moving with uniform speed, 3. Moving with uniform acceleration, 4. Moving with non-uniform acceleration. H. Calculate the area under a speed time graph to determine the distance traveled for motion with uniform speed or uniform acceleration. So, H1. State that the acceleration of free fall for a body near to Earth is constant and is approximately 10 meter per square.
Yes. Then
J.
continue.
J. Describe qualitatively the motion of bodies with constant weight falling with and without air resistance,
Okay.
including reference to terminal velocity.
Okay, I think you already understood what we are going to discuss, and already you have some ideas from your previous classes. You know the formula of speed, you know velocity, you know, acceleration, right? Then you have
Yes.
also some idea about the graphs. All these things you are going to discuss, and you have also idea that acceleration due to gravity, that is 10 meter per second square. So we will discuss in next class. Okay, if you can manage some time, please go through the notes, huh? So that
Sure.
Okay,
it
sir.
will be easier for you to understand. It's already uploaded in the Google Classroom. Thank you so much, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Is there some-
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.